So who this is for, the answer is Jesus. There is no other answer. The alcohol is not going to help. The numbing sensations aren't going to help. And I'm sitting here so emotional because sometimes it just hits me that it's always been Jesus. And every moment that I've ever thought I was alone, and everything that I thought I had to figure out in my own strength and in my own understanding, every single moment, every single breath, it's Jesus. And if you're feeling alone today and you're feeling like, man, I want to try the Jesus thing, I just don't know where to start. Father, I lift my hands. God, I lift my hands. If you're there, I need you to come into my heart and show me who you are. Because I know who everybody else says you are. He says you're this crazy, awesome God, Father, friend. I need you to come into my heart and show me who you are. And I promise you that God is such a good God that he will reveal himself to you in ways that will blow your mind, in ways that will make you fall to your knees in awe of just how much he's loved you this entire time. The answer is Jesus. Worst case scenario, you try him, you try God, Jesus, and it doesn't work and you can go back to doing whatever you were doing. But I'm willing to bet on it that if you genuinely surrender everything to him, I promise you, we serve a God that answers. We serve a God that, as high as he is, makes himself low to meet us where we are, but not to just be in misery with us, but to seat us on high in majesty with him. Jesus is the right answer, and he loves you, he sees you, he knows you, he understands. Give Jesus a chance to show you he loves you. He is the only right answer. He will save